Hello, I am Rathna Ramakrishnan, CEO of Remodeler Digital, and today I have a crucial message for every remodeler. The remodeling industry is at a crossroads. AI is not just the future, it's the present. Those who embrace it are thriving, but those who don't are falling behind. That's why I'm a speaker at Remodeling Central at the National Association of Home Builders International Show in Vegas from February 27 to 29. It's not just another event, it's a wake-up call. In my session, ChatGPT Unleashed, where AI fun meets the future of remodeling, I'll be uncovering how AI is reshaping our industry. And trust me, it's not something you can afford to ignore. This is about survival in a digital era. It's about securing your place in a rapidly evolving market. Don't let your business be the one that was left behind. Join me at Remodeling Central in the International Builders Show in Vegas, and let's embrace the future together.